Time for the Steel Mace Bayonet strike. What we want to do is stand in a square position, upward thumb grip, with the mace head pointing forward as if though it's a bayonet. So, hand down by your side, bayonet, mace pointing forward. What you're going to do is loosen your lead hand, push the mace forward, so slide it along the lead hand, re-grip, change the hands over, pull back, you're on the other side, ready to go again. This might need a little bit of a reshuffle. We go down, loosen the front grip, push, grip, pull, reshuffle, loosen, push, grip, pull. Key here is pull back nice and sharp and absorb the pull with the knees. So from the side, hopefully you can see it a bit better. We push, grip, pull back, absorb. Loosen the grip, push, grip, pull, absorb, loosen, push, grip, pull, and absorb. Perform that for the number of reps or time prescribed in your program.